Hello everyone. As a community organization, we're committed to providing solutions for less privileged citizens. One of the problems we identified in Lilongwe is that many kids aren't able to go to school because of the long distances they have to travel. This creates a huge challenge for families who want their children to learn and succeed. To help address this problem, we've established a learning program that provides access to education for these kids. Our dedicated facilitators work with the children to help them learn and grow. We currently have several centers like this in operation. However, we know that we can do more. We want to build dedicated school blocks to provide a safe and supportive environment for these children to learn in. With your support, we can make this a reality. We're currently fundraising to build a school block and an administration office so that we can continue to support these children and their families. In this video, you can see our program in action, with one of our facilitators teaching children in Lilongwe. We hope that this inspires you to join us in our efforts to make a difference in the lives of these children. Please consider supporting our cause, so that we can provide these children with the education and opportunities they deserve. Your support is greatly appreciated. Thank you.